Welcome to Science Sunday. Experiment 2, today we're making snot. Today we're making some slime. Yeah. Okay, for pots.
What else do we need, Phoebe?
I'll just get the rest. Food colouring.
Yes.
Water.
Yes.
Glue.
Yes.
Spoons.
Yes.
And what's it called again, Daddy?
Sodium tetraborate.
Sodium tetraborate.
That's right, that's the things we need.
We mix a
100.
20 millimeters of water and sodium tetraborate.
How much sodium tetraborate?
Half a spoon.
Half a spoon, and here it is.
And here it is. Right there in the picture.
Okay, so we've mixed the two things together, and look.
What we've made is slimy snot.
Lift up a spoon of it. Let's see.
And
now
it's going to be very, very, very sticky, and we're going to play with it.
Right, yes we can. So put the spoon down on the top of the step, and then you can put your hands in and pick it up.
Slime up?
Yeah.
It's very sticky.
Don't let it drop on the... Just put it back in there. Right, see if you can pick up the strings of slime and pop them in the slime pot. Look at that.
It'll be good to play with. Don't get whoa. This is horrible.
Okay.
Slime, snotty slime is smooth.
Stretch it. Wow. Is that good?
Yes, it's a mountain, Daddy.
Ah.
Can I let go now?
Yes, you can let go.
I'll play with it.